are having a really bad weather today. But it is what it is. Alright, let's park the bus. I'm going to share some of my thoughts that I have. It's gonna be a little bit different kind of video today. Alright, let's park the bus. So, first of all, I would like to thank you all very, very much for reaching 4,000 subscribers. It feels so realistic. This feels amazing, you know. I have never ever expected that. I was always reaching for like low numbers or low. They are still massive, but you know, I didn't expect that to be that high. I never expected that my channel would reach so many subscribers. I mean, 4,000 are just surrealistic number, completely crazy. So thank you very, very much. Tusen tack, dziękuję bardzo, obrigado, gracias, grazie. Just crazy, amazing. Thank you all. Other things I wanted to share. Yeah, there will be no vlogs until January. As you can see, this is not a normal video. There is no driving today, and this is because I am the instructor. You know, I am teaching new drivers our roads, our buses, like all that technical stuff and everything around our work, our job. So it means now I had 2 new drivers, amazing drivers, you know, very skillful, great people. I had them for 1 week now, and I'm going to have them for the next week, and then I'm having next new 2 drivers. So it means I'm not going to drive a bus for like 3 weeks, but I've decided to make a big change. I decided to quit as an instructor after almost 5 years because of many reasons. I can say that YouTube is one of them. I want to play a little bit with YouTube. So it means that from January I'm going to have a little bit more time to work on vlog-ish videos and yeah, put out some more onboards. I am also planning to buy a second GoPro camera so I can record something different. I don't know, maybe that little screen here that shows the time and the stops. But maybe there are other things you want to see, guys, you know, just tell me. I am reading through every single comment of you and I appreciate every single one. I want to answer every single one, but sometimes I just don't have a time. But I'm gonna try to answer every single one. I can as well make a video like Q&A. I don't know, let me know. I think that's everything that I wanted to share, I think. Yeah, it's gonna be a short video today, but it just felt like I wanted to share my thoughts, that maybe someone care about what's going on with that videos and everything around that, everything around the channel. I hope it explains a little bit what's up. Again, thank you very much for 4,000 subscribers, a huge number. I'm very thankful, really. Amazing stuff. See ya.